Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix BlueStack error code 2004. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix BlueStack's error code 2004? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so what is error 2004? Many people have complained that they have encountered code 204 while using BlueStacks, and the following error message was displayed on the screen. Something went wrong, installation failed, error code 204. So how do you fix this? First is to ensure your PC meets the minimum requirements for BlueStacks, because let's be honest, a lot of people don't have strong PCs, and BlueStack is very demanding, especially when it comes to the processor or GPU. And next is to check for updates. One of the things you need to do is check for BlueStack updates. So to do this, open BlueStacks and click on the three horizontal lines on the top, and then select Menu from the drop-down bar and tap Settings. In Settings, click About and choose Check for Updates. So after that, another way you can do to remedy this is to restart your device. So you could just get out of BlueStacks and then restart your computer. And yeah, so you need to restart your computer to do this and try again. Another is to enable virtualization. This is a pain in the ass for a lot of people. If you see that you already have the required system configuration, make sure that the virtualization option is enabled on your PC. So you need to do this while your PC is booting. You need to go there and turn on virtualization. Another one is to run as administrator. So you can try to open BlueStacks as an administrator, and most of the time this works. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.